New just listed home, 1778 New Hampshire Avenue Northeast, St. Petersburg, Florida, by Christina Parody from the Military Veteran Team. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home on a spacious 1,470 square feet of charming space in a cozy, well-managed area. Inside, the inviting living area is bathed in natural light, featuring high-quality porcelain flooring that creates a seamless and sophisticated feel. Seamlessly connected, the stunning kitchen serves as the heart of the home, showcasing premium stainless steel appliances and elegant white cabinetry. The layout hosts a restful primary suite alongside 3 bright additional bedrooms, including a versatile room with its own private entrance. These are served by 3 tastefully updated full bathrooms featuring sleek, contemporary fixtures and refined modern designs. Outdoors, enjoy a generous backyard perfect for relaxing in the Florida sunshine. Schedule your showing today.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.